You have to zoom in on them.
I will when we see them.
Yeah, I still see them. There he goes again. One.
Yeah, I see it.
That is weird. They keep showing up at the same spot. They keep showing up at the same spot.
Okay, hang on. It's hard to get the effect on the little bitty screen.
Yeah, I get it. There he goes again.
Wow.
What the hell is that? There's another one. Here he comes again.
Yep.
I mean, there could be drones, but flying that high, I guess it was really bright. But how would, if there were drones, you would see them go back. But it's
Yeah, it's just the same spot over and over.
Yeah, here it comes again.
Are they circling, and like when they're facing the other way, maybe?
Well,
we don't
possibly.
see the light.
Possibly.
So maybe it's doing a circle.
Yeah, but it's a fast circle. Cause
Yeah,
look,
it's a very fast circle.
Because now he's gone.
Because these are a long way away.
And now now he's back. There's two.
Same spot.
Good Lord, look at that! Look how bright that one is that time. They're like right up against each other. And there's a third one. Now, if there were drones, I mean, they would. Why would they just be circling like in one spot for?
Yeah. Try to zoom in a little more. I don't know if I can get them. Are they gone?
No, there comes it again. Here comes it again. There's one, two.
Oh, it was up higher.
No, about the same level.
Okay, it's up higher than I thought
And here
it was.
comes the third one.
That is weird. I mean, this has been going on for 5 minutes.
I mean, I think
At least.
Yeah. One, two. There's no way there could be drones going back that fast. Now, see how slow they're going. For them to come back, they have to be going like twice as fast. Unless there's like 6 of them, there could be 6.
Here goes another one.
Yep. I mean, I guess there could be 6 of them. I still see one barely.
Yeah, I can see that too. Very faint.
Yep.
I'm not picking it up on the camera though. Oh, there.
Yeah,
Got it there.
Yeah. It was bright that time.
I see. It was just the one though, right?
It's just one so far. Here comes the second one.
I keep getting distracted and camera ends up moving off of where they are.
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, there it was again.
There he goes again. It's 4. Trying to see if there's anything else flying around. I see a plane to the right, but flashing over there.
Up there it was, right?
There was a plane to the right, flashing about 2 o'clock, 2:30, 3 o'clock.
Yeah, but that's quite a distance.
Yeah, and now I don't see him anymore, unless, you know, I may have missed him. No, there
Right
it goes.
there.
Wow, look at that. I wish it was a clear night.
Yeah.
There's only one that time.
Okay, I'm turning it off.
Okay.